Welcome, yard crawlers! We're entering a congested area, so watch for pedestrians. There's going to be a lot of people walking across the road, a lot of crawlers in the area looking for some good deals, and that's what we are as well, right? So come on, crawlers! Let's do this! What's up, everybody? Today we're doing something really exciting. We are going to a 43-mile long yard sale. Yep. I'm not looking for anything specifically. Maybe if I find some vintage cookbooks, who knows what we'll find, right? This is the yard crawl, and we're getting ready to do it. So crawlers, get your gear, and let's go. I see there's someone from Pennsylvania down here, and they bought a Christmas tree. So this is how the crawl works. You go for 43 miles and people just have yard sales on. In front of their house, in front of businesses. And here we go. Yeah, be prepared when you go to long yard sales like this. There's a lot of people out there. They said there's going to be close to 30,000 people coming to this thing all along the crawl, and so you're going to see a lot of cars. But it will be mainly in areas that are clustered. Like, you'll go for a little bit and then there won't be any sales. And then there'll be like a business that's holding like a flea market per se in their parking lot. And we're up on the area right here. There's quite a bit of houses, and apparently there's a motel that has like a little flea market in there. So you'll have hot spots. Like they got a lot of clothes. What do they got back there? They got a ton of stuff back there. So you'll get people that don't live on the crawl trail, and then they combine with people that do and have massive yard sales in their yard. So we are going to hit this area.
Somebody got a U-Haul.
She was saying this area is like a hot spot. Kettle corn?
Yeah, you got a kettle corn booth. This is huge over here. Both my side and your side.
We got kettle corn going on. Look at me, you can get a little ATV.
Lemonade,
got kettle corn,
snow
lemonade,
cones, icy, snowballs,
roasted nuts.
There's a regular
barbecue.
There's a regular carnival. Hey, I might want to stop there.
Yeah, we might want to pull in there, bro, because we need some
This is like
food.
carnival food.
This is like a whole bunch of stuff. Oosh. Holy moly. Guacamole. Look at that tractor, man. More coming up here. So we got 43 miles of Yard sale fun. If you like yard sales, you got them here. Over here, we got a big old one over here. Ooh, look at tractor. So you see people that put up small sales in their yard, and then people like churches or businesses, people use their parking lot and it becomes like a little flea market.
Country's future depends on it. Something down there.
Any place where there's an empty lot. Superman at a phone booth. Oh, look at that little wagon. Wow, I like that.
Some stuff over here.
You even can get tires out here.
Yeehaw. Oh, they got the pop-up at Rural King. Some over here. We're coming up on something.
Coming up on ground zero.
The fact that we're only doing 5 miles an hour tells you something's going on here.
Coming up on another ground zero area here.
Alright.
You can tell when the cars pile up.
Popo feels like he's got to do something.
Yeah, they even got cops out here. So you gotta crawl around and get the hot spots. And this is definitely a hot spot right here. Look at all the cars out here.
I don't know if I want to be crawling a hill, but it's hot out here.
Oh, look at those roll-top desks. I've always wanted a roll-top desk.
Think they'll take a trade? Mixers for furniture?
I want one, but I'd have to put it upstairs in my studio, and I don't think I can get it up there.
Oh, we got a second cop. Didn't know we were that busy. Got tacos.
Tacos?
Yeah.
Holy cow, these people have a full-on clothing.
Tacos and tamales. 4 for $10.
These people got an entire clothing store going on up in here. Gems and minerals, that's for Mark. This is like a flea market area.
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow.
I'll wave at it.
Hey!
Hey!
¿Aquí más falta más?
Sí, faltan 2 de asada y 2 de asada en cada plato.
Ay, tía. Hola, Meni. Toma.
Those look amazing.
Are you guys eating here?
Yeah.
Okay. Son de ella.
What do you put in? You put cheese in those?
Yes.
Okay.
Cheese and beans.
Can you make them without the cheese?
No, because it's already mixed.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No, no quiere con queso.
Oh, no la quiere con.
Solo frijoles.
Yeah, that looks tasty.
Is that cilantro?
Engaña.
Hey,
Yeah.
it smells great.
You guys have a restaurant or you just doing this here? Yeah, you just doing.
She work in Georgia. I only come to help.
So this one's mine.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's temperature-wise very hot. They're double
Yeah.
tortillas. Bottoms up. So,
Got chicken.
oh, it's a little spicy. Frozen coffee and yard sale and lemonade stand. Hey, some beef for sale.
Let's go crawl. Let's go crawl. You'll find a lot of various things up in here. These are kind of neat. This is like pressed glass. These are kind of neat. That platter's neat. These pressed glass platters are really neat. And there's some pretty neat candlesticks right there. We're going over here because I spy a lot of vintage mason jars. We got oil cans, but look at all these vintage sleds. Those are pretty cool. If you had a bar, you can hang those in there. So do you collect bottles or something?
Yeah.
Look at all those like mason jar looking things.
Apple butter.
These are really collectible. Julio, Mrs. Butterworth. These are cute. I love these. So cute. Yeah, and he knows how much these are worth.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful.
Okay, so we're home now, and I only got a couple little things. I got this glass platter. I believe this is an American press cut platter. These are common, but the price I got this for was amazing. I paid $1 for it. And it was really, really dusty and dirty, but I ran it through the dishwasher and it's so sparkly beautiful now. So that was $1. And then I got these beautiful candlesticks. These are actually, when I looked at the bottom, I washed them and it says these are originally from Target. They were $9 a piece. And they're really nice, though. I like them. I paid $1 a piece for them.
Well, with an asterisk by that. I thought you had 2, not 3. So I think we got.
Well, I think originally he said he wanted $6 or something for all 3, and I was like, oh, okay. So I walked around, and then he said, how about 4? And I was like, okay. And then when Eric went to pay, I think he paid $1 a piece, and he only charged him $2. So I paid $2 for 3 of these. So, Cooks, I hope you enjoyed this look at the yard crawl. Seriously, 43 miles worth of yard sales. This kind of thing happens not all over the place, but a few places around the country. I believe there's actually another one either this weekend or next weekend somewhere in West Virginia. I think that one's like 47 miles or something. But if you are into collectibles and antiques and fun finds for your kitchen, tablescaping, one of these giant miles-long yard sales might be something that might be fun to check out. I only got a few things, but it was pretty hot, and we did a few things wrong. We should have got up earlier. We didn't get out there till like noon, so we had a limited amount of time, and it was right in the heat of the day. So get out there early. And this yard crawl, people are out crawling like the night before. So we should have been out there, that evening, the night before, to probably get the best goodies. But anyway, I got some cool things for the tablescape. Those candlesticks, I think I'm going to use them on my Christmas tablescape. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this look at the yard crawl.